Hey everyone, so for this video I want to give you an opportunity to practice using both direct and indirect object pronouns in the same sentence in Spanish, also known as double object pronouns. So what you have here in front of you are 5 sentences. Each sentence has a direct object noun and an indirect object noun in parentheses. What I want you to do is try and rewrite the sentences so that they have both a direct object pronoun and an indirect object pronoun. If you haven't yet learned how to do either of those, you're going to want to go back and do this. This is activities for people who have already learned them and just want to practice it. So check the description of the video for some links to videos on all of those topics. Okay, so if you want to try and do this first, pause the video and do it now. Otherwise, I'm going to start giving my answers in about, well, right now, basically. All right, so number 1 says, I give the homework, and then it says to you, in parentheses. So I want to say, I give it to you. So I'll walk the first one kind of slowly, and then I'll go a little bit faster after that. So we're going to eliminate la tarea, change it to la for it. And then you, the indirect object pronoun, will be te. So I have the words doy, la, and te. In just a regular sentence, you only have one verb. It's not a command or anything. I have to put the pronouns in front of the verb. And you also need to put the indirect before the direct. And typically in my class, when we do sentences with all these pronouns in them, often I use the indirect is a person and the direct is a thing. So I just tell my students to put people before things. So my new sentence will be te la doy. If you want to keep the yo in there, you can, and it would go right here. Yo te la doy. So I give it to you is the sentence. Number 2 says we pass the balls to them. The balls would be eliminated and become los. They would be eliminated and become lace. So if you follow the same rules I just gave you above, you would have lace, los, doy, but you can't have two pronouns right next to each other that both start with an L. So the first one I'm going to change to se. So my new sentence will be se los pasamos. That's going to be we pass them, the balls, to them. Tres, you plural serve the food to me. Servis is the vosotros version of the verb if you weren't sure. So I want to say you serve it to me. So la comida would change to la. I would change to me. And my new sentence is going to be me la servis. Like that. Number 4, you make the breakfast for us. The breakfast will become it, which is lo. We would become, well, still we. Nos. And my new sentence is going to be nos. Lo haces, you make it for us, basically. And the last one, so he brings, or she brings maybe, the keyboards to the teacher. The keyboards will become them, which is los. The teacher becomes lay. So I have lay and los, so again I have the two L's together. So I change the first one to se. Los trae. And that's the last one. If you have questions about any of these or any concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.